Before his tragic loss, Rene Baterbonia was a blue-chip recruit and a Palarong Pambansa MVP. He was one of the most anticipated top prospects for the Ateneo Blue Eagles in the upcoming UAAP Season 89. Amy Atienza has this story.
First of all, hindi ako makapaniwala talaga kasi yun nga, sobrang shocking news. Akala ko parang normal na ano lang sandali, may injury lang or what. Ngayon, nalaman ko na agad na nawala na pala si Rene Baterbonia. So, sobrang devastating. Hindi ko maano sa words kung ano pang sobra sa sad, sa devastating.
These were the words of Rene Baterbonia's former head coach Jess Evangelio as he visited the wake of the late blue-chip recruit of Ateneo de Manila University. On Monday night, Ateneo announced the passing of Baterbonia and second-year import Divine Adili during a team-building activity in Aurora. Baterbonia gained the attention of his dream school in Katipunan after his most valuable player stint in the 2025 Palarong Pambansa and cementing his legacy in the same tournament this year in Agusan del Sur, his hometown. The 19-year-old was undeniably a top prospect in the collegiate scene for the upcoming UAAP Season 89. Evangelio, who mentored Baterbonia for 6 years in his career, mourned for his passing and continues to call for the truth. He never imagined this tragedy possible, sharing that Baterbonia was just persistent to provide for his family in the next 5 years.
Ano sila, 7 sila magkapatid. Siya ang second eldest. Yung 6 niya na kapatid, yung family niya, siya yung breadwinner. Yung 6 niya kapatid, parang siya ata nagpapaaral. So, sobrang sakit, sobrang painful ng feeling namin yun.
With Baterbonia's remains now transferred to Arlington Memorial Chapels and Crematory in Quezon City, family members, friends, former teammates, and colleagues visit his wake as a remembrance of his grit and talent for the sport and love for his family. Evangelio, alongside Rene's parents, also pleaded for justice following the unfortunate situation.
Yun, as of now, we are praying na sana malaman namin yung totoo kasi nga as of now wala pa talagang update sa amin yung mga coaches kung ano ba talaga nangyari. So ngayon lang nagre-reach out na sila na pupunta sila dito pero wala pang final na time or day na.
As for Adili, his family requested for his remains to be returned to Nigeria for family and cultural practices. In just a year of being with Ateneo, the former student-athlete proved to be the next stellar big man of the team, putting the Blue Eagles on a 4-game winning streak early on UAAP Season 88, but had to sit out later in the season for health reasons. He was 21 years old. Kapatid Amy Atienza, we are One News.